Fitting and fixing skirting boards are simple. You measure the wall, get the skirting you like, cut it to size and fix it to the wall. This is how simple it can be, and yet, due to many factors, not everybody will get their skirting boards in successfully on the first attempt. It's even worse when you think you've done it properly, only to discover that the skirting is not sitting on the floor. This can look very unprofessional and unsightly to look at. It can also be frustrating to fix, as one or more of the skirting boards can be affected. Fortunately, there is a solution, and it's to scribe your skirting boards to the floor, and in today's video we'll be showing you just that. Before you begin, here's the tools you'll need: a pencil and ruler, a block plane and a packer. Step 1. When you cut your skirting board, dry fix it to the wall to test it out. Check the bottom for gaps, and if there's no gaps, the skirting board is good for fixing. If there's gaps, get a pencil and ruler and draw along the skirting board to see where the gaps are. Eventually, you'll know what needs to come off the skirting board, and you'll know exactly how much to cut off. Step 2. Once you can clearly see where to start scribing on the skirting board, lay the skirting in a way where you can easily get at the pencil section that you marked earlier. Once you do this, grab the block plane and slowly start scribing. Once the skirting is level with the pencil mark, make sure the rest of the skirting board is equally scribed, and check every now and again how the skirting board looks. Once the skirting is level with the pencil mark, dry fix the skirting to the wall to see if the gaps are gone. Step 3. Once you feel satisfied, put the skirting on the floor. If it's level, no gaps would be present underneath the skirting, and your job is then done. If gaps are still present, remark the skirting and rescribe it until it is flat on the floor. Make sure all the skirting is flat before you finally attempt to fix the skirting to the wall. If you want to find out more on how to fix your skirting board, check out the card above, or alternatively, click the link in the description below. And that's how to scribe your skirting boards to the floor. Hopefully you guys found it useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to Skirting World. Otherwise, we will see you in our next video.